is ready for a sneaker mystery box. This one's gonna be kind of a weird one because it's kind of like a follow-up mystery box, I guess, from a pretty bad one that we just received a couple weeks ago. If you guys didn't watch that video, I'll link it up over here, but basically what happened was I bought a box off of Instagram from a local seller in Hawaii, and that box ended up being probably the worst box we've ever opened on the channel. In terms of profit, I believe that the box basically broke even. Like, there was no profit to be made. The shoes weren't that great in the box either, and it was just an all-around brick. A lot of people in the comments were disappointed as well, and actually, the guy that sold me the box might have been the most disappointed. It was a pretty interesting thing because he reached out to me on Instagram. He said, you know, I watched the video and I feel really bad, man. I didn't mean to kind of scam you, I guess, with that box. He didn't really scam me. I mean, it is a mystery box. But he reached out and he's like, you know, I don't feel right about that and I want to make you another box. And for the most part, I was taken back. You know, I'm like, I don't really want to get a second box because why would I want to spend thousands of dollars and then get another brick box like that? So he said this pretty cool thing. He basically told me that because he felt so bad, he would give me the box without me paying for it. And then afterwards, once I open it and I know what's in the box, he would actually let me pay for it then. So essentially there was no risk for me. So that's why I picked up this box. This one is actually valued at $1,300. Again, I didn't pay for it just yet. The guy was cool enough to let me open it up first and then see what we got. And I'm hoping that he came through. Gotta give people second chances. So that's what we got today, guys. Let's just open it up and see what we got. And make sure you guys hit that like button for good luck because yeah, we do not want to see another brick box. And if this guy screws me over twice, then yeah, we're probably gonna have problems. Let's see what we got. Okay, so the first one that we have over here is a Jordan 4 box, and this one is a size 8.5. Okay, I don't know if I might have to delete this video. I'm not sure if I'm gonna post this anymore. Oh, dude, does this guy really just screw me over right now? I don't even know if I should make this video anymore. I don't even know if I'm talking to the camera or not. I'm just talking to myself at this point because this can't be real. This can't be real. Look at how beat up this thing is. Look at this. This is insane. Okay. Woosah, let's calm down. Maybe this is just an opening shoe, but for the most part, this is really strange, dude. Check this thing out. This looks like a really beat up shoe. I mean, there's masking tape on this thing. It looks like somebody was about to paint it, or a lot of discoloration on the midsole over here. And yeah, all around just kind of an overall beat up shoe. It doesn't look like it's in wearable condition at this point. So that is not good to see, guys. This is not good. I don't know how much this would fetch, but it can't be a lot of value. Again, this is a $1,300 box he valued it at. So, you know, I'm hoping he gave us some value in this box because it is expensive, man. It's over $1,000. So I'm a little bit frustrated, as you guys can tell, but yep, I'm gonna try to stay positive, like I said, and we'll keep pushing on. This sucks. Next shoe out over here. This one is a size 8.5 Jordan 4 again. Please, please, please do not be another brick. Oh. Okay, so this one has a note in here. Okay, so this is this is new. This might be the first time we got a note in a box before. This one says, I guess this is from the seller. Again, I'm not going to say his name because I don't want to create drama. The guy actually felt really bad and he said thank you that I didn't call him out directly on the last video. So yeah, he wants to stay anonymous. But he says in this letter, Bryson, before you freak out, these shoes are not shoes that are meant to be resold. I feel bad about the last box that I gave you, and I really do appreciate you bringing so much positivity to the sneaker world and for putting Hawaii on the map on the YouTube scene. I didn't mean for that last box to be as bad as it was, and I was not trying to scam you. To say I'm sorry to you and to the Untied Ohana, I included these 2 Jordan 4s in size 8.5 that you can sell for free on your web store. Oh, okay. They're more of a project shoe and aren't meant for wearing in their current states, but if someone is good at restoration, they can fix them up good as new. I also want to let you know that this box is incredibly valuable for resale. I wanted to make up for that first box, so I hope this will be good and profitable for you. Okay, so I probably should have opened up this box before I ended up opening up that other box because now I feel a little bit bad. He says that both of these Jordan 4s, oof, this is another beat up one. Good thing there was a note in there. He said both of these Jordan 4s are basically free project shoes for people. So he wants them put up on the web store for $0, it looks like. These shoes are really messed up though, man. This is a pair of Jordan 4 Breads. Again, there's a lot of discoloration on this one, a lot of paint chipping on the midsole over here. And when you turn it over to the other side, a lot of paint chipping as well over here. The upper looks pretty beat up for the suede. I believe this is the 2012 version, so it is supposed to be an older shoe, so you expect it to be pretty beat up. I mean, I'm guessing what he means by project shoe is a lot of people do sole swaps for this stuff, or they can just clean it up like a deep cleaning. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this, it will be on the web store, and also all the other shoes in this box will be on the web store as well, untiedhawaii.com. So yeah, thank you to that homie for this letter and also for the shoes for free, I guess. So the box didn't really start yet. I just realized. I wonder if I should even put it up on the counter. We'll leave it. We'll leave it. Okay, so starting this box off, I guess, for the first time, we have a Jordan 1 box over here. This one is also in a size 8.5, and this could be... Whoa, this is a pair of Jordan 1 Satin SBBs. Oh, this is actually the first time I've seen these in hand too. I don't think I've ever held any of the Satin Jordan 1s before. But when I'm feeling this and I'm looking at this shoe right now, this is a pretty premium sneaker, guys. I don't know why this isn't popping off in resale like more than it already is. This is really, really nice in hand. SBB Jordan 1 Satin. You guys can see it's called the Satin because the upper over here is obviously a satin material. I like that this Nike swoosh over here looks like it's stitched in too. It's not like a normal leather swoosh. And yeah, I didn't realize that the inner lining was also premium and stuff as well. The condition of this one is insane too, you guys can see. It looks like it was worn once or tried on. A lot of value on this one, I'm assuming. Size 8.5. It is a women's exclusive though, so I think that comes out to men's 7. Next shoe out over here is another Jordan 1 box. This one is in a size 10 though. To follow up that Satin SBB, we have a pair of Jordan 1 Royals over here, and it looks like this one is in worn condition as well, but very, very good condition actually. This is immaculate. I might have to keep this. Size 10? Jordan 1 Royal. This is the 2017 version. It looks like, I see it now. There's a scuff over here on the back heel, so not in the greatest of conditions, but when I looked at the toe box over here on the top, I mean, man, that is very, very clean. Only recently have they started to moving up finally. I think that they're going for dead stock in like the mid 400s now. So this one should fetch some pretty good value. This is a box I have not seen before, guys. Oh, this is a really huge box actually. What the heck? JS Wings 2.0 in a size 8.5. Oh, what? Oh, shoot. This is crazy. Okay, so this is a weird pair. I think these are called the Jeremy Scotts. I've never owned this pair actually, but this thing is wild, dude. I can see why it's in such a big box now. They're like really tall shoes, if you guys can see that. God dang, do people actually wear this thing? This is crazy. Iconic because you guys know when you guys see this wing on the back, it is a pair of Jeremy Scotts. It's a super interesting shoe though. I mean, it has the patriotic vibes going on. You guys can see Jeremy Scott over here on the back heel. But this one is super worn, man. Check out those bottoms, really dirtied up. But if you're trying to look good for like 4th of July or something like that, man, I mean, is there a better shoe than this? That's pretty darn wild. Okay, another Jordan 4 box in here. This one is in a size 9 though, and hopefully this is not another project shoe. I like this color. You know what? Actually, this isn't that bad. This is in pretty good condition. This is a pair of the Jordan 4 Military Blues, guys. I believe that this shoe came out in 2012, so this one is not too bad in terms of condition. It does have a lot of discoloration over here, and this is kind of strange. I'm not sure if the camera is going to catch this, but can you guys see there's like kind of like a liquid substance over here, which kind of freaks me out. I don't know. I don't want to touch that, obviously. I'm assuming that's glue that's like leaking out, but yeah, it's also on the other side over here too, so that's kind of strange. Jordan 4 Military Blue, I would assume that this still fetches at least like a couple $100. I don't think that they retro this colorway since 2012, that's why. So yeah, if you guys want this colorway, I mean, the only way you can get it is if you get the 2012 version. Next shoe out, we actually have 3 shoes left in this box. This one is a Jordan 11 in a size 8.5. It is a pair of Jordan 11 Berets, guys, and this one is in dead stock condition. Okay, here we go. This is a good pickup. Brand new dead stock. You guys can obviously tell when a Jordan 11 is used because over here on the patent leather, you could tell if there's creasing pretty easy. Like if you put the shoe on once, it will crease. So this looks perfect. Very nice to see this, and a good boost to the counter for sure. Okay, 2 shoes left in here. This one is a box I have not seen before. LeBron 17, I think. XV11, that's 17. Size 8.5. Ooh, what the heck is this, man? I don't think I've ever seen a LeBron 17 in person before either, but this is very unique of a shoe. The swoosh actually has like a pearlescent kind of look over here, so it has like that holographic kind of feel. Also on the laces, I think it's like a lace shield. This one is also holographic as well. I don't know how the performance is of this, but this one does look like it is a brand new shoe. From the looks of it and the feel of it, it looks like it's a very comfortable and sleek shoe. So pretty cool over here. Brand new dead stock condition. Okay, and the last shoe of the box is one that I am familiar with because I've actually had this shoe before. This is a unique and very beautiful box. It is a pair of the Air Max 1 Paras in a size 9. I really like this box. Before I open it up, you guys just got to look at this and appreciate it. There's artwork on the side over here, and also on the other side over here. I think that is just really nice when they have like unique boxes for drops. Whoa, no way. Is this a dead stock pair? This would make up for that last box for sure, guys. Bottoms, I don't see any kind of dirt on here at all. and also the uppers look perfectly intact, so no issues here. You guys got to check out these details though. So over here on the mid panels, there is a whole bunch of different materials being used and a whole bunch of different colors. It kind of gives it like a what the look. Also one of the perfect colorways and shoes for spring, just because those colors are more like of a pastel look. So for Easter or something, man, these shoes will pop off. So $1,300, again, I didn't pay for it just yet, but I do feel like I got my money's worth. I know that Para by itself and also the Jordan 11 Bred is probably almost the price of the box just with those two shoes. So I'm guessing everything after that is pure profit. And also he had those two like giveaway of free shoes, I guess, as well. So I think that it was worth it this time around. So thank you again to the homie out there. You know who you are, man. Not gonna put you on blast or anything for that first box. So thank you. I appreciate you reaching out and I appreciate you doing the right thing and, you know, like making it right. That's one of the beautiful things about Hawaii, guys, is that it is a tight-knit sneaker community. So if somebody sees something that's like gone wrong in the community, they try to make it right, man. And I just think that's a really beautiful thing. So shout out again to you, man. Again, if you guys want to cop any of these shoes, they will be on untiedhawaii.com. I will also be putting up both of those Jordan 4s for free. So if you guys are restoration people, then feel free to check those out. They will be on the web store. One per person though, don't get both, man. That's greedy. One per person for those. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all of you guys behind this camera. If you guys are new here, feel free to subscribe down below. And as always, guys, until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoot!